That's why to the starting gate 3.
Go, run, run!
Lulan! Lulan!
Go, run! Don, 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 go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Dun, dun! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Go, 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 go! Lulan, tatay, oh! Tatay, tayo, tatay! Tatay!
Bali lahat, dapat po 11 racers sila. Dapat po 11 racers sila. Kung sila na po yung finish na kailangan sila po ang kailangan sa final. Dahil yung iba po hindi na tumakbo. Ano ba po ba ang mga klase?
Right on, go, 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 run! Run!
Ito po tinatawag natin na sedative of the final.
Right on, run! Right on, run lang, focus, focus!
Let's go!
Go, Pastor! Go! Go, 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 run, run!
Go Sebastian! Go Anika! Good job, Tyron!
Ayan, wala naman po sa district ng barangay Payata, sa pamumuno po. Pipuno Barangay, National Bibo 4, kasama sila Kagawad, Loverlo R. Arca, at si po, Balat Pokal, Gladys Gulula.
Pastor, run, run, Pastor!
Si Mary G.
Ayun, balik! Kabila!
Let's wait for Tyron and Sebastian.
Go, Pastor!
Alright, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ang pagdating po ating welcome ang pagdating ng ating bulihin, Vice Mayor. Palakpakan po natin, Vice Mayor.
Hey, kayo dito! Tyron, run, run! Tyron, run! Go, 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 Tyron! Tyron, focus! Run! Tyron, run!
William, go! Bilisan mo! Bilis!
Tyron, run! Go, Tyron! Run, run, run! Go, run, run! Faster! Focus, Tyron! Focus! Tyron, focus! Run, 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 run! Go, run, 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 Tyron, run! Go, run! Tyron, run, run! Run, 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 run!
More! More! Ay! William!
Go, Tyron, run, run, run!
Run! Knock! Knock!
Tyron, run, 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 run!
Easy!
Run, run, run! Good job.